Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a gear review. I'm going to talk about my favorite motorcycle wheel chock ever. First things first, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so that's amazing. I appreciate all of your support. So today we have the Wheeldock Model 3. And basically the Model 3 will work with any sport bike with your typical 120, 70, R17 tire. If you have a sport bike and you have this standard tire size, this Model 3 Wheeldock should work with your bike. And before, I had the Cycle Gear trackside wheel chock. I bought that at Cycle Gear. I believe it was about $100. I got it on sale. And it worked for what it was, just your basic standard wheel chock. One of my complaints with that wheel chock was, one, it was a pain to get the bike off of the wheel chock, especially when it wasn't tied down to anything. So when it was sitting on the garage floor, it was that teeter-totter style where you kind of have to rock the bike back and forth, and then when you have enough leverage, the bike will roll off the chock. That can get a little dangerous, especially if you're up high on a truck. That sudden jolt in movement made it really easy for the bike to tip over left or right. So I searched the internet and found this company, Wheeldock. So these are made here in the USA. I actually called them up and they sent this over to me. This isn't endorsed. I paid for this with my own money. But after I tested it out, I realized how amazing this Wheeldock is. It's so easy to ride your bike up and off the Wheeldock with almost no effort whatsoever. So let's go over some of the features. You can see it's all steel constructed. It has really nice welds. The paint and the finish on this is really high quality. It comes with a pedal here that activates this gas cylinder that raises up this arm and essentially locks your bike into place. So you can transport your bike without compressing your suspension. It's just a really amazing product. A couple other features I wanted to mention. It does come with holes here so that way you can bolt it down to your floor or bolt it to a 2x4 when you want to secure it to a trailer. It's pretty versatile. You have some tie down hooks right here. So let's get this on the ground and show you guys how this works. Now this is a pretty good weight. I'm gonna guess maybe, I don't know, 40, 50 pounds. It's got some weight to it. Let me get this into frame. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to roll the motorcycle on and off the Wheeldock. You can see you're always working with a flat surface, so you don't have to worry about rocking the bike back and forth to get it off the dock. But let me show you guys how easy this is. Now there's a couple ways to do this. You can do it when you're off the bike, just like this. And to get it off the bike, because you're working with a flat surface, you can see how easy it is to get it off the bike. Or to get it off the dock. But here's the benefit. Here's what makes this thing so amazing. So when you roll your bike on, you never have to get off the bike because you have this pedal here. So watch what happens when I push down on this pedal. You see how that gas cylinder activates and locks your front wheel into place? Now your bike is super secure. It's not going anywhere. And the fact that you don't have to get off the bike to do so, it's pretty amazing. And you can rock this thing back and forth. The bike is secure and the bike is safe. So to get it off or to deactivate that arm, it's really easy. You have a pedal here on both sides. It doesn't really matter. All you gotta do is just, grab a hold of your bike and push down, and that's it. So now your bike is released. So all you gotta do is now just pull your bike off with very little effort, and the bike comes free. So that is pretty awesome. I didn't even know this company existed till I found like a random post somewhere on Instagram like a few years back. And I was shocked at how non-mainstream this is. This is probably the best Wheeldock ever invented, but I don't see it anywhere. Maybe I saw one person a few years ago talk about it, but I'm super happy with it. It's an amazing product. All right, I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see how this works. So I'm on top of the bike. It's so easy to just roll the motorcycle on the dock. Gonna hit that gas pedal right here. That gas cylinder activates and now the front wheel is locked in and it is not going anywhere. To get it off the wheel dock, you have this pedal here that you can push down on, or this pedal here. So you have pedals on both sides, so it's super easy. Let me just set this up over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Generally a good idea to put the kickstand down. And all you gotta do is just put your foot on this pedal, push down to lower the arm, and that's it. Now your bike is free to go. So all you gotta do is just pull it out of the dock. And it's so easy. The fact that you don't have to rock the motorcycle back and forth to get it off the arm, that's worth it a million times over and over again. That's pretty much it. This is the Wheeldock Model 3. I highly recommend this Wheeldock. It's gonna be the best motorcycle wheel chock you ever buy. It just makes it really safe when you're transporting your motorcycle. So that reason alone makes it worth it. I'll drop a link down below if you guys want to purchase one for yourself. The owner is actually a really cool guy. I called him up and he's had this sent over to me in a truck within 2 days. So that's pretty amazing. Speaking of transportation, you guys can see the Grand Cherokee on here. We ended up selling the F-250 and we picked up a couple vehicles in its replacement. So Audi e-tron for the wife, and I ended up going with the Grand Cherokee just because I was looking for something that was a little bit more of a commuter. This thing gets pretty decent gas mileage compared to the F-250. We ended up throwing a hitch on here so that way she can tow. This thing's rated for about 6,200 pounds. I threw my favorite hitch, the B&W back here. But the more I go on and live without my truck, I miss my truck. So we're getting a new truck. I'm looking for a Raptor. So I've been scouring the internet. We're gonna go Gen 3 this time. So if you guys have seen the channel, we had a Gen 2 Raptor on the channel. It was a black 2017 Raptor. It had Devers, iBox, 37s, just an all-around amazing truck. And I miss having a truck. So we're gonna get a Raptor eventually. Just gotta find it. Once I find one, we'll make it happen. But if you guys want, I'll give you guys a quick tour of the new vehicle. Grand Cherokee L, so it's got the longer wheelbase. It has heated leather seats. The reason why I really liked it is because it has captain chairs, so ignore that side. All my dog stuff is on that side. But it has captain chair in the back. It's got heated seats in the back, and it actually has plenty of cargo space. So imagine those two captain chairs folded down. This thing is really long and really huge in the back, so plenty of storage. It's a good vehicle, but I think I just miss having a truck. I'm a truck guy. I've had trucks on this channel for the past few years, and I think we're gonna go back to the truck pretty soon here. As long as I find a good deal on a Raptor, you'll see the new Gen 3 here on the channel soon. So that's just a quick life update for you guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys haven't already, please hit subscribe, drop a like, comment down below. What do you think of this Wheeldock? All right, guys, thank you for watching as always. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will catch you guys on a future video. Peace.